Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love read now. Cancer, your monthlies and your your monthlies and your money readings have already been put up. In case you've missed them, I'll leave a link at the end of this video. So let's begin. And Cancer, these are general collective readings, okay? Each and every video will not resonate with all of you out there. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. Oops. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So Cancer, before we do this, let's take a blessing from Lord Ganesha and our angels to top this reading and then we'll begin, okay? So let's see what Lord Ganesha is going to bless you with. Let's take this one and let's see what my angels have for you as well. My angels, a card for Cancer, please, for their love life. What do they need to know? Joy and marriage has come out for you, Cancer. My Lord Ganesha gives you the card of happiness and joy, and the angels give you a card of marriage. What are we up to, Cancer? Let's figure out. What's happening in your love life? Okay, that's interesting combination. Let's see. So welcome back, all my subscribers. Welcome to the Omkara family. If you're new here, we welcome you in. And if you are returning, I'm grateful that you're here. Thank you so much for all your love and care and shares and likes, and your comments are beautiful. Thank you so much. I'm very, very grateful and overwhelmed. And if you're new here, we welcome you in to our Omkara family. We meet here monthly, weekly for all kinds of readings, even weekends. So if you enjoy these readings, do subscribe to the channel and join us. We welcome you in. So newbies, let me explain this. I'm setting down two sets of cards, and in the center there are your mutual energies. So I'll be referring them as person A and person B, right? So you decide which side you resonate best with. Bottom of my deck, I just showed you I have the Page of Wands. So expecting some news, it seems, Cancer. A message coming your way. Let's see what's happening. In case you guys need a private reading, Cancer, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me. Do mention your country though on the subject box. It just makes it easier for me to respond faster because of the difference in time zones. I can give you a time zone which works for both of us, right? I'm in India. So the first card here, Cancer, is the Three of Swords, right? So there's been some heartbreak for person A, and let's see, let's open all the cards. Seven of Cups, the Star, Nine of Pentacles, the Moon, and the Four of Swords. Okay. For person B, I have the Fool, Tower, Hanged Man, King of Swords in reverse, Four of Wands, and the Knight of Pentacles. Are you letting go of a marriage or a partnership here, Cancer? There seems to be a lot of tower moments and heartbreak on this spread here. Are you cutting off ties from somebody and that's going to make you happy, maybe? I don't know. Let's just check on this, right? So let's start with person A's energy first, who have the Three of Swords upright, which is like in deep heartbreak. And a lot of confusion here as well, because yes, there is some family situation which is coming to a close here. There's some problem in a committed relationship here, and person A seems to be very, very confused and not happy at all. Not happy at all. They don't like the fact that they could be single soon. There's a lot of illusion. There's a lot of emotional upset here. A lot of healing taking place. And what's this King of Swords, Spirit? Who's this King of Swords? Yeah, healing from something which is very direct and hurting. What's the star spirit? Why is the star in reverse? What happened here? Something to do with the stability of your home, something to do with the stability of your house, which you're not very happy with, something to do with your long-term partnership. There's been some kind of fight here, I think. I don't see a fight happening. I see a lot of heartbreak, but there are the Queen of Wands and the King of Wands here. And somebody's trying now desperately to heal the situation here and wanting to charge ahead and speak about it. What's this Nine of Pentacles spirit in reverse? Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, either somebody didn't commit Cancer, or somebody is talking about breaking a commitment here. Hierophant is in reverse. One more card, Spirit, for the Nine of Pentacles, please. There's some decisions being made here, Cancer, regarding a relationship. Could be regarding a marriage, could be regarding a long-term potential kind of a relationship. There's some decisions being made here because somebody is not happy being left out in the cold here, always feeling abandoned, always left in a confused state of mind. What's the Moon spirit? Yeah, this person's been keeping a close watch on person B and trying to understand what's happening. I think there's a lot of confusion here. There is some ending coming to this working together of a situation, Cancer. I have no clue what this is all about, but the Four of Swords is there, which means somebody is in deep reflection, trying to manifest something now in their reality. They've taken some time out, thinking, contemplating, and trying to manifest something. Spirit, what is person A trying to manifest now? What is person A trying to manifest here? I think whatever offers they've got till now from or what they expected didn't really fructify, right? They felt that all these promises were false promises, and they are hoping and wishing now that somebody would come towards them with a love offer. This is what person A is trying to manifest, right? They're trying to manifest some love offer, either to give an apology or get an apology, so that they can once again have this happy Ten of Cups, right? So something has gone wrong here. This person is not happy, very confused, feeling very, very confused, yes, with the moon energy and the Seven of Cups. And now trying to manifest happiness once again. Let's see person B. Person B is in the Fool energy, deciding to take a fresh leap of faith and maybe a new journey after some tower moment has hit them. Whatever happened in this tower moment, Cancer, for person B, it did not make them happy. They went totally into hermit mode. They've been thinking about this. They have been reflecting on it and also being a bit upset and angry because now they feel that things are over. What's this tower? What is the tower which hit the person B, Spirit? What's this tower which hit? Yeah, they're feeling very, very up in their head. They're feeling tense, stress. They're upset. They are up in their head, basically. Yeah, self-imposed prison, I would say, because something came to an end. Something came to an end, and this seemed like a tower moment for person B, which kind of got them really stuck. And they are trying to make sense of it. They're trying to just understand what happened. Who's this King of Swords spirit in reverse then? This person, yes, could be a wife, could be somebody who was very abundant, who wanted to be, who was loving, caring, giving, everything. and now this person feels like a loser because of this King of Swords, who probably came and said something very nasty to them or did something very nasty to them, right? And this kind of led to the destabilizing of this foundation, of this Four of Wands kind of an energy which was there between the two of you, and now things have come kind of to a stagnant halt here, Cancer. Yeah, there is no clear-cut vision even now for person B. They don't know what to say, what to do. They can't see the path forward. There is nothing happening here except for feeling very, very stressed, Cancer. Yeah, they're working at it. They're working at planning now their next move, trying to get over the stress and tension. They know things have really stalled. They know that things are not moving at all. They are feeling rather weak. They're feeling rather weak and not, at one time they may have felt like the Empress and felt like, okay, things were fine. But now, after whatever this King of Swords has said to them, they are feeling weak. Yes. They don't want to return to person A, though, I see. They want to return back to this place. Why does person B have the Eight of Cups in their energy? They're not happy that they haven't received a message yet, or they were expecting person A to come forward and say something, and because I think no news has come yet, person B is feeling very unhappy, and they're fearing that things may have come to a halt, because earlier whatever message or news came to person A wasn't the best, right? It was maybe a fight, maybe some harsh words were spoken, which ended up in a disruption of tower moment in this relationship. So what's this Knight of Pentacles, Spirit? Knight of Pentacles. This person B is very heartbroken also, Cancer. See, you had this heartbreak right in the, person A was heartbroken, person B is as heartbroken. Or whatever fight has happened, whatever disruption has happened, it's left both of you feeling in a lot of pain. One more card, Spirit, for the Three of Swords. One more card. Person B doesn't know what to do. Now they are basically in reflection mode and trying to see at all the investment that's already been put into this relationship. They're feeling hurt that, wasted maybe so much time, so much effort, so much love, so much everything has gone into this relationship. And now things have come to an end and now my heart is broken. So let's see what's going on in your mutual energy, Cancer. This is worrying me. I hope things are going to be well, because both of you are heartbroken at the moment. Ace of Wands in reverse, Five of Pentacles, and the Six of Swords. Okay, so there's hope, there's hope. So right now, both of you are kind of in your separate corners, not feeling like there can be any movement. Both of you are holding back big time. Nobody is coming forward to, deliver any new message or any passionate new forward movement, nothing. Both holding back big time. And both also feeling left out in the cold, both feeling abandoned by each other. Yeah, both waiting, both feeling they are in the right. Person A is feeling I've been hurt, person B is feeling I'm right. Both are waiting for justice to happen, but Cancer, if neither of you move forward, how is it going to work? Right? Both are sitting here in this energy to say, oh my God, so and so left me and I'm upset. This one is saying, I'm upset. Both of you feeling the loss, but nobody really making a move. Both sitting, holding back, right? And I think energetically also holding on to each other, because I do see neither of you are really wanting to leave the other either. Both are, that's why you are hurt, right? If you were happy to leave the other one, you would be rejoicing. But I see heartbreak, both ends. One more card, Spirit, for the Five of Pentacles. One more card for the Five of Pentacles. You both are, I think, you both are feeling this loss. There's a lot of regret, there's a lot of sadness. Both of you, I think, still kind of obsessed with whatever has happened between the two of you. Maybe you're angry with each other, but also feeling kind of bound to each other, right? You both are still kind of tied. You can't forget each other either. So let's see what's happening now. This is the only positive card I have, and I hope this is going to set things right. I'm sorry, my phone is ringing. Give me a second. Uh, mic on. Sorry, I had to take a little break. Okay, so as we were here, right? Six of Swords. Like I was saying, this is the best card I have, and I hope this will kind of help out in this reading. So, Spirit, what is this Six of Swords now for Cancer and their partner, since this is a mutual energy, right? Oh, wonderful, wonderful. One more card for the Six of Swords, Spirit. One more. One more, please. I'm trying to be very clear because this is my only card which I can bank this entire reading on. After all the heartbreak, Cancer, that you've suffered, I want to be very, very right in this one. Spirit, I need a little more help, please, before I say something to Cancer. Don't worry, Cancer. Wheel of Fortune will turn in your favor soon, right? Uh, you will move to a calmer space in this relationship soon. If you've been feeling very burdened, very overwhelmed, I think the sadness that you've been experiencing will finish sooner than later. That for both of you, this is your mutual energy. And whoever has left this relationship may just return. That's if you want this person to return, right? You, of course, have free will. The Wheel of Fortune will move in your favor, that's guaranteed. Now, whoever is here, so that's why I was saying this marriage card, even in the booklet, the deck came in, always says that marriage card doesn't mean you're getting married. It means dealing with a partner. So sometimes it's about leaving partners and sometimes about getting a new one. So that depends on what's going to give you joy, Cancer. Is it coming back with this person? Because the Wheel of Fortune is going to move. You guys will get another opportunity to move into a calmer space, but the decision has to be yours now, that after all that's happened, are you going to find happiness and joy in coming back together or not? Right? I mean, every person is going to have a different story here. That some people say, I'll never want to go back to this toxic person or this or that or whatever. Somebody will say, I'm heartbroken, I'm missing this person, and yes, I'd really like to get back to this person, right? The opportunity will come. At the turnaround here, see? The turnaround will come with the Wheel of Fortune. It will be totally up to you. What do you think in your head will be the just thing to do? Right? And I mean, I can tell you right now, but then I don't want to say anything. This is not a personal reading. So each one of you has a different perspective on your relationship. If you want a private reading, yes, I can help you maybe, but this is what I have for you now. There will be a message coming soon and you will be given the opportunity to drop a burden, right? Now, whether you're going to drop the partner or you're going to drop the fight is totally up to you. That's all I have for you, Cancer. Have a great week ahead and namaste. See you soon.